I'll be sharing my experiences on Merrill Edge in this video for those considering it as an option trading platform. I've been a Bank of America customer for years. Several months ago, I noticed they owned Merrill Edge, and Merrill Edge was offering a nice bonus for opening new accounts. Here's the current bonus amount they're offering. I was needing to roll over a 401k into an IRA account, and I wanted to diversify to more than just one broker after the recent bank failures. So I thought I'd give Merrill Edge a try. They were offering some nice perks. Having a Merrill Edge account with a balance over a certain threshold also provides some benefits for your B of A accounts, like free checking with no minimum balance, extra credit card reward bonuses, a tiny bump to the microscopic interest rate for your cash in your accounts, reduced origination fee on loans, a discount on home equity loans and car loan interest rates, and a discount on Merrill guided investing, which I'll never use, but some people will. So those sound pretty good, right? I thought so until I started trading options on Merrill. Here's my biggest gripe. I had sold 2 sets of put options on Levi's, both expiring on Friday, July 21st. Levi's closed at $13.99 that day. One set of puts had a strike of 12 and expired worthless, and that is this row right here. The other set had a strike of 14, and to my surprise it was assigned, but that's not a problem. I don't mind it being assigned. I was surprised because I'd had puts expire just below the strike that weren't assigned at other brokers, but that's this row right here, option assigned. What I'm very disappointed about is that it's now Monday evening after market close and those transactions are still pending. So I can't sell calls on the shares of Levi's that were assigned, and I can't use the funds set aside for the puts that expired worthless. So as of end of day Tuesday, the expired options have finally closed, so I have access to those funds. But the assigned options are still pending. So I still can't sell covered calls on the new Levi position after a weekend and 2 market days. Merrill, will you please let me sell my covered calls? So it's now Wednesday, and it finally went through. It's no longer in pending in my activity log, and I was able to sell covered calls on my Levi shares. Unbelievable. That should have been done over the weekend, and I should have been able to do this early Monday morning. If you're a short-term option trader doing daily or weekly contracts, this slow transaction execution would definitely and dramatically affect your trading. Less so for someone like me who usually likes to start contracts at somewhere between 30 and 60 days, but still very annoying. And this is not unusual on Merrill. It happens just about every time I close a position. My funds are locked up for days. Is Merrill using IBM mainframes from the 1960s? Are they powered by mice on little wheels? I went on a rant there. I apologize. My other minor gripes are their interface for trading options is inferior to Schwab and Ameritrade, in my opinion. Their balance page is hard to understand. Their customer support can never answer my questions, and they direct me to their phone system, which takes forever to get anywhere and forces you to listen to minutes worth of irrelevant information. In conclusion, maybe I've been spoiled by Schwab and Ameritrade, but I've been bitterly disappointed by Merrill Edge's option trading. If you've had a different experience on Merrill Edge when trading options, please share it in the comments. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate any feedback and comments. I try to be even-handed, but this slow option execution really has me down on Merrill. And I cannot in good faith recommend it to anyone who cares about execution speed, which should be most people. It's utterly ridiculous for Merrill to make you wait a few days to use your funds again after closing an option position. The perks for signing up are nice, but do not make up for the horrendously slow option transactions for me. I'm not a financial advisor, This wasn't financial advice. This was me sharing my option trading experiences on Merrill Edge. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing, and have a profitable day.